Nitish Kumar-led NDA is all set to form a new government after registering a landslide win with 202 seats of the 243-member Bihar Assembly in the voting results declared yesterday. As per Election Commission of India websites, BJP emerged as the single largest party, bagging 89 seats overall in the contested 101 seats, while opposition Rashtriya Janata Dal and Congress alliance Mahagathbandhan faced crushing defeat, claiming only 39 seats. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's party, Janata Dal United (JDU), contested in 101 seats and won in 85 seats. In the highly contested election, NDA alliance partner Lok Jan Shakti Party, Ram Bilas, won in 19 seats, while Hindustan Awam Morcha won in 5 seats. Meanwhile, Mahagathbandhan was reduced to only double digits, with RJD winning in 25 and Congress in an all-time low of 6 seats. On the other hand, AIMIM nagged 5 seats. Rashtriya Lok Morcha won in 4, CPI-ML won 2, while IIP, CPIM and BSP won in 1 seat each. With the resounding victory, Nitish Kumar is highly expected to return as the next Bihar Chief Minister.